In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put your manual transmission Nissan Xterra into four-wheel drive. It is pretty much the same thing for the automatic. The difference is you have a clutch in this car because you have a manual stick shift. So the shifter for the four-wheel drive mode is not different. It's the same thing. So what you need to do is, since the car is always in 2 high, to put it in 4 high, you pull the leather backward like this. It is in 4 high, and as you can see in your dash, there's the four-wheel drive sign here. That means your car is in 4 high. And if you want to make sure it's in four-wheel drive, you just put it in first gear, you start moving, and then you will feel all the 4 wheels grabbing on the ground. And to turn it off, you put your car back into neutral, you push it back into 2-wheel drive, but it's not gonna go off right away. The reason being, the drive chain is still in the 4 high place or position, so it is still engaged. So you put your car in reverse and you back up a little bit for like a few feet, and then as you can see, the sign went off. That means the car is back into 2 high. So it's the same thing for the automatic. Same thing, neutral, 4 high, you drive, you stop, neutral, 2 high, reverse. When you see the sign goes off, that means it's back into 2 high. This is how you put your manual transmission Xterra and automatic into 4 high and 2 high drive mode. Now I'm gonna show you how to put the car into 4 low, because 4 low is really low range when you're going up hills with rocks, and it is really hard to get around if you're in 4 high. So 4 low is a really good idea. You will have more control and your car will crawl better. So 4 low is you pull the shifter backwards. This is 4 high, and then you push it down back again all the way, and then the car is in 4 low. So to know that it's really in 4 low, you start moving and you will feel like the car is barely moving because it's in 4 low. It's really low range. You can go up almost any obstacle in 4 low. So to put your car back into 4 high or 2 high, you need to stop, put it in neutral, you push it down, back all the way, and you need to back up to put the drive chain into its place. Just watch your dash to make sure that the sign goes off. Once the sign goes off, that means your car is back into 2 high. Automatic. And it's pretty much the same thing for automatic. You do the same movements. Once you're done, you stop, put it in neutral, you back up a little bit, and it's gonna go into 2 high. The reason why you need to back up is it's pure mechanic. You put the drive chain and the transmission back into its place, because it's not gonna be done by itself. You have to move the car and it will be done mechanically. So these cars, they're really mechanical. There's no button like to put it in drive or 4-wheel drive. It's all mechanical. This car is 2002, so it's the same thing for the 2000 to 2004. The other generation is a button, but these ones, they are the same thing. It's a handle, you touch, so everything is mechanical. It's the same for the Frontier. It's the same for the Pathfinder, the ones with the leather, not the button. So you do the very same thing for either of these cars.